In terms of hardware, the Samsung Galaxy S23 series was a bit of an oddity. In every country, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, while Samsung previously utilized its own in-house Exynos chipsets outside the US. However, with the Samsung Galaxy S24, this tendency may be making a return. Samsung may release the Galaxy S24 with an Exynos 2400 CPU, according to Business Korea. It's unclear how this would influence the North American market, or if Samsung will follow the same release plan as in recent years, with American flagships debuting with Qualcomm's newest Snapdragon CPU. According to the source, Exynos took a backseat early this year owing to last year's game optimization scandal. Because Exynos processors are less power efficient than Qualcomm chips, the Game Optimization Service, GOS, enhanced performance to conserve battery life and avoid overheating. As a result of this move, phones powered by Exynos CPUs saw a drop in performance. According to Geekbench, the GOS-optimized performance was just 53.9% of what Samsung had claimed. According to Business Korea, Samsung's buying power has been diminished as a consequence of its migration to Qualcomm processors, which has resulted in higher manufacturing costs. As a consequence, the firm is reportedly considering reintroducing Exynos processors in the next iteration of the Galaxy S. According to Business Korea, the Exynos 2400 processor will use a 4nm production technology with a lower power performance node and a 10-core GPU. Furthermore, Samsung's collaboration with AMD may result in new graphics solutions for the processor based on AMD's high-performance Radeon visual design assets that are tuned for low power consumption. However, the source says that Samsung may still be experiencing issues with power usage and thermal management. As a consequence, the corporation is still extremely likely to depend on Qualcomm processors for another year, albeit nothing is definite at this stage. According to recent TechReview reports, the Galaxy S24 series will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which is slated to be released later this year. Despite the fact that it is still a bit away, there have already been speculations regarding the Galaxy S24. The device is expected to contain the same cameras as the Galaxy S23 series, but with additional RAM. If the phones really feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, they may outperform the A17 Bionic in the iPhone 15 Pro. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.